Umentri rang ba kejela Meghalaya Conrad ke sangma ha step khan riu tarik urisau arja arpulai ulahir Thana Road kendai lat benek jingo ïing malau Amit Singhania kabalangat ha jing pluh ding ka bashir khai kablaja ka por chibaje no phai sngi khat sau tarik urisau arja arpulai kini ïing sau mala ka dan ki dukan ki kudam bo tiar nalo ki ïing sa abriu ban ki baro ki la sha bamdu ha ding ka blane lai phu ar kenta tam ai ya kani ka ding lala ban pilip ha ka me khat san tarik urisau arja arpulai ha ka por Prashiteng AA da jing trailang ki board pulit na Meghalaya Fire and Emergency Service Kishipai Air Force SDRF Assam Rifles bat ki weipat kuman syukdo ba ki pholak liter ko om lakit nanan polok da ki palat ar photli ki kali pinlip ding man tem ne ke te jing plo kani ke jing ja plo ding kala shemi ke jing em jong wei nong tray ke dukan bhajan lal ubawan che ka kudam ka badan ha kani ke yeng mala uni breu la sa kut shwa ha ke te ka kudam na do ka por badang plo ha do ban da sei u de ki pulit ha ka por sauduna AA But Maria Poi ha military hospital Shillong bancha sumar pen ban uniu breu la khlat no ha ka step khan riu tarik umentri rangba ula lume ke jingalang pet pania halwa ka te ke jingja ringkat u chief secretary director general of police deputy commissioner na lord ki officer lambat ki we pat
When this raging fire, so we tried to fight this. And what happened is, as you can see, there was a lot of spin sheets. So they fell and covered the entire interior. And somehow, otherwise it was a raging fire.
So in the video, we can't imagine what it must have been on ground.
Amit Singhania had inside on this floor itself. And from his office, he went inside the workshop. When he entered there.
TRF, one by one, trying to push this, trying to break this.
Now trying.
Okay.
Explode all options. They explode all options. We were thinking from coming from behind, but there was absolutely no way we could come.
The biggest equipment
Only was from here. This also was.
Just visited the site of the fire incident that took place in this bazaar 48 hours back, and it was a very tragic and a very unfortunate incident and an accident that took place, and we do express our sympathies and our concerns to the families that were affected by the fire and the accident that took place. I would like to mention that this had a very big potential to be a very disastrous situation because this was in the middle of the market area, a very congested area and a very difficult area for the fire services and other services to come in and do their work. But in spite of the challenges, the different departments, especially the fire service, the army, the air force, the Assam Rifles, the BSF, and the community and all the other officials from different departments had come in and really worked very hard. If you can see behind me, the buildings are very close, and even behind the buildings there were other small residential areas. But in spite of these challenges, the department and the officials were able to contain, and the fire did not spread beyond this particular building, and that in itself is something that I must thank and appreciate the work that has been done by the officials from, as I said, the departments, the fire service, the police, the administration, and NDRF, SDRF, and of course the armed forces, and a special mention to the armed forces who really supported us in this very difficult and complicated situation. And the community was also very supportive of us. At the same time, this is also of course a situation where a detailed investigation will be done, and we will go into details of the reasons why this has happened, and of course we will also go into issues of how to make sure that these kind of complicated situations are avoided and can be stopped in the future, and also to measures on which how we could improve the overall service and the response that we will give. Though the response here was very swift, we still have a challenge. The building was also in a way a go down, and hence it has got a lot of materials inside, be furnitures or other kind of plastic materials, and therefore those kind of materials also inside led to the challenges. And as I said, in spite of all those challenges, the fire did not spread to other buildings, and that was in itself a great achievement. But as I said, we need to go into details and find out what has happened, how it happened, and what measures to take in the future to ensure that not just in Shillong but in any other part of the state, we avoid these kind of situations. Safety audits and other audits will need to be done. All of these will be examined. We are having a cabinet meeting on the 18th, and a detailed discussion will happen on that day.
Conrad, cannot. We have a check up and
I not saying Atiar.
yeah,
Ila banit la siyam tayo ro. Sala iyo. Dang siyam kanyan.
Slam kendian. Ïing, takadaw kolong kapakong san ban pat ya kapor.
Kalau kebadan kamban letas ya kekemishwa bendap lai benai ba armet kenang ba ikelung enom yo yu kenyang HIV hakaba ikmi bat ikelung kenyo kecing em kabakai kabakya bat imslam
Dor jong kapor.
HIV control.
patas HIV ya lade hakabor ba phile check up ning bang haba armet